Hello everyone, and today I had a question in my mind. I was thinking, how do LEGO minifigures high-five each other or give cheers to each other? So I did a bit of research and I've made this video to show you all how do LEGO minifigures high-five each other or do cheers. Whenever I used to think of LEGO, I used to think of stationary buildings. The LEGO's gears have actually changed my perspective. In this model, there are two LEGO minifigures, and only using one simple gear and a few LEGO Technic pieces, I've used them to high-five each other or do a cheers. Do you want to learn how to make it? Let's get started. Here are my LEGO minifigures. Sally Ride and I think Margaret Hamilton are doing a cheers on the victory for women in NASA. You can use the same technique that I have shown you today in different ways, such as by adding an Olympic player passing a baton, or whichever ways you imagine. You can also use different pieces, such as here you can use one big white piece, or however you want to. I've got a quiz for you right now. What does this motion here remind you of? I think it reminds me of a steam train. You can improvise on this however you want. You can make these into wheels, and it could actually be a train. Get inspired by whatever surrounds you, what's outside in your gardens or on the trees. Try to create that using LEGO. LEGO is an amazing way to express your feelings and your thoughts. Get building!